Welcome back to MotoVerge, the channel where two wheels meet passion, and where every ride tells a story. If you are new here, make sure you stay till the very end, because if you miss even a single moment, you could miss the most valuable information about one of Yamaha's most awaited machines. Today we dive deep into the mysterious yet thrilling arrival of the 2026 Yamaha Fazer 250. This is not just another motorcycle review. This is a journey into why Yamaha decided to bring back the Fazer legacy, and how this bike might change the way riders experience sport touring in the 250cc class. Think for a second. What happens when style meets endurance, when power meets practicality, and when Yamaha decides to fuse aggression with comfort? That's where the Fazer 250 enters the scene. But is it just another bike wearing an iconic badge, or has Yamaha truly reimagined it for a new generation of riders? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know why this bike might be exactly what you've been waiting for. At first glance, the 2026 Yamaha Fazer 250 is breathtaking. The design carries the bold stance of its FZ family roots, but with sharper aerodynamics, sleeker fairings, and LED elements that scream futuristic aggression. It looks like a predator ready to pounce, and yet, there's elegance in its touring DNA. The bike doesn't just look fast, it looks relentless. But let's not get lost in appearances. What truly matters is what lies beneath. Yamaha has equipped the Fazer 250 with a refined 249cc single-cylinder engine, liquid-cooled for efficiency and tuned to balance power with fuel economy. The numbers may not sound earth-shattering at first, but it's the delivery that makes it special. Smooth at low speeds, aggressive when pushed, and always consistent, this is an engine that doesn't just move the bike, it builds trust with the rider. Imagine gliding through highways with steady torque at your fingertips, and then twisting the throttle to overtake effortlessly. That's what Yamaha promises with this machine. And what about comfort? Because let's be honest, when you hear the name Fazer, you expect touring capabilities. Yamaha has listened. The upright seating position, wider cushioned seats, and refined suspension setup mean long rides don't just become possible, they become enjoyable. City commutes, weekend getaways, or even those dream highway runs, this bike wants to do it all without asking you to compromise. But here's where the story gets interesting. Yamaha has not only focused on performance and comfort, but also technology. The Fazer 250 comes with a fully digital instrument cluster, smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and even riding statistics at your fingertips. Features that not only make your ride smarter but also keep you connected. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a partner that evolves with you every mile. Safety hasn't been ignored either. Dual-channel ABS, precise braking with disc brakes at both ends, and improved frame rigidity give you confidence at every corner and every sudden stop. Yamaha knows that speed without control is meaningless, and the Fazer 250 has been designed with that balance in mind. Now here's the question that has been circling the motorcycling community: does the 2026 Fazer 250 live up to the Fazer name? Yamaha fans have waited for years for a revival, and expectations are sky high. Judging by its design, engineering, and intent, it seems Yamaha has not only revived the Fazer but redefined it. But there's something you should know: this bike is not built to impress everyone. It is not a pure sports bike chasing top speeds, nor is it a heavy cruiser built only for touring. It sits in that rare middle ground, appealing to riders who want versatility, reliability, and a touch of style that turns heads at every traffic signal. And that, my friends, is what makes the 2026 Yamaha Fazer 250 such a fascinating motorcycle. It's not about raw numbers. It's about balance. It's about feeling the rush of acceleration, the calm of long rides, and the assurance that your machine will not let you down. This is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement from Yamaha that the Fazer legacy is alive, stronger, and smarter than ever. But here's the thing: if you clicked away before this moment, you'd miss the most important truth about the Fazer 250. It's not simply about specs on paper. It's about the experience it creates, an experience Yamaha has carefully crafted for riders like you. So now the choice is yours. Will you be among those who see this as just another 250cc bike? Or will you understand the depth of what Yamaha has built? The 2026 Yamaha Fazer 250 might not scream the loudest, but it speaks directly to those who listen with their hearts as much as their throttle hands. And if you're still here, then you know the value of staying till the end. Because if you miss the video, you do not get valuable information. This is MotoVerge, bringing you stories of machines that matter. Stay tuned, stay passionate, and as always, ride safe, ride free, and keep the throttle alive.